Here is a beginner-level customer service quiz that covers escalation and retention handling, managing social media and online reputation, and proactive customer engagement. Let's go! Question 1. What is the main goal of customer escalation handling? A. To delay resolving customer complaints. B. To resolve high-priority issues quickly and effectively. C. To transfer complaints to another team without resolution. And D. To ignore customer concerns and move on. Answer: to resolve high-priority issues quickly and effectively. Question 2. Which of the following is a best practice when handling an escalated customer complaint? A. Listening patiently and finding a solution as soon as possible. B. Reacting defensively and justifying company policies. C. Ignoring the issue to avoid confrontation. And D. Telling the customer to email instead of calling. Answer: listening patiently and finding a solution as soon as possible. Question 3. Which action can help prevent escalations before they happen? A. Ignoring minor complaints and only addressing major ones. B. Delaying responses to avoid difficult customers. C. Resolving issues at the first point of contact. And D. Transferring all calls to another department. Answer: resolving issues at the first point of contact. Question 4. A customer wants to escalate their issue. What is the best response? A. I understand your concern. Let me escalate this to my supervisor for a resolution. B. There is no one to escalate this to. Please accept our policy. C. We do not handle escalations here. You should try calling again later. D. You are making this a bigger issue than it needs to be. Answer: I understand your concern. Let me escalate this to my supervisor for a resolution. Question 5. Why is customer retention important for businesses? A. Customer retention is not important in customer service. B. Retained customers complain more than new customers. C. Businesses should focus only on acquiring new customers. And D. Retained customers are more likely to be loyal and recommend the brand. Answer: retained customers are more likely to be loyal and recommend the brand. Question 6. Which of the following is an effective customer retention strategy? A. Providing consistent and high-quality service. B. Ignoring feedback from existing customers. C. Only offering special deals to new customers. And D. Avoiding engagement with customers after a purchase. Answer: providing consistent and high-quality service. Question 7. What is the best way to recover a customer after a negative experience? A. Blame the customer for their dissatisfaction. B. Ignore their complaint and hope they don't return. C. Apologize, take ownership and offer a solution. And D. Offer no response and wait for them to leave. Answer: apologize, take ownership, and offer a solution. Question 8. Which action can damage a company's social media reputation? A. Responding to customer reviews politely and professionally. B. Ignoring negative reviews and customer complaints online. C. Providing helpful information in response to public inquiries. And D. engaging positively with customers on social media. Answer: ignoring negative reviews and customer complaints online. Question 9. How should a company handle negative comments on social media? A. Delete all negative comments to protect the brand image. B. Ignore complaints and avoid interaction. C. Block customers who complain. And D. Respond professionally and try to resolve the issue publicly or privately. Answer: respond professionally and try to resolve the issue publicly or privately. Question 10. Why is online reputation management important for businesses? A. It helps businesses attract new customers and retain existing ones. B. Customers don't care about online reviews. C. Social media has no impact on customer decisions. And D. It is only important for large companies. Answer: it helps businesses attract new customers and retain existing ones. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the best approach to handling false online reviews? A. Publicly accuse the reviewer of lying. B. Report the review if it violates guidelines and respond professionally. C. Ignore all online reviews, both positive and negative. And D. Offer incentives to customers to remove negative reviews. Answer: report the review if it violates guidelines and respond professionally. Question 12. How can companies use social media for proactive customer service? A. By blocking customers who raise concerns. B. By limiting customer engagement online. C. By ignoring customer messages on social media. And D. By answering common questions and addressing issues before they escalate. Answer: by answering common questions and addressing issues before they escalate. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of proactive customer engagement? A. Sending a follow-up email after a purchase to check satisfaction. B. Waiting for the customer to complain before addressing issues. C. Responding to customer inquiries after several weeks. And D. Avoiding interactions unless absolutely necessary. Answer: sending a follow-up email after a purchase to check satisfaction. Question 14. How can businesses use customer feedback proactively? A. By ignoring feedback unless it's positive. B. By collecting feedback and using it to improve product services. C. By deleting all negative comments from customers. And D. By asking customers not to leave reviews. Answer: by collecting feedback and using it to improve products/services. Question 15. Which of the following is an example of proactive customer support? A. Avoiding unnecessary follow-ups with customers. B. Only responding to customers if they complain. C. Sending personalized recommendations based on past purchases. And D. Making customers call multiple times before receiving support. Answer: sending personalized recommendations based on past purchases. Question 16. What is the benefit of anticipating customer needs? A. It forces customers to accept new policies. B. It makes service more complicated. C. It increases the chances of customer complaints. And D. It helps improve customer satisfaction and retention. Answer: it helps improve customer satisfaction and retention. Question 17. Which statement best defines proactive customer engagement? A. Reaching out to customers before they experience problems. B. Only responding when customers complain. C. Avoiding conversations with customers. And D. Waiting until customer issues become severe before addressing them. Answer: reaching out to customers before they experience problems. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of proactive customer service on social media? A. Deleting customer comments that ask for help. B. Ignoring direct messages from customers. C. Only posting advertisements with no customer interaction. And D. Posting troubleshooting tips for common issues. Answer: posting troubleshooting tips for common issues. Question 19. Why should companies engage with customers before they face an issue? A. To reduce customer expectations. B. To avoid having to resolve complaints. C. To build trust and provide a seamless customer experience. And D. To limit customer interactions as much as possible. Answer: to build trust and provide a seamless customer experience. Question 20. What is the ultimate goal of proactive customer engagement? A. Reducing the need for customer service teams. B. Enhancing customer experience and increasing loyalty. C. Limiting customer interactions to lower costs. And D. Avoiding communication with customers. Answer: enhancing customer experience and increasing loyalty. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.